For this project, I'm going to be using a crimping tool and a round nose plier. And then that's just a cutter that I got from the hardware store for wire. This is a piece of 18 gauge wire. And then these two pieces right here are hematite discs. You can get those at Michael's or Joann Fabrics or any jewelry supply store. Then that's just a little round bead. You can use sterling silver or whatever little silver bead that you see from Joann's or Michael's or any jewelry making store. And then that's just a earring hook that you can get at the jewelry supply store, Joann's, Michael's. And that's a piece of wooden jewelry. I've seen these pieces like at Joann Fabrics and Michael's, but I actually bought that at a jewelry show. But I've seen them at Joann's, I know for sure, and they come in different colors. So what I'm getting ready to do now is I'm getting ready to take that silver bead and I'm going to attach it to the 18 gauge wire. And hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to take the round nose pliers and I'm going to just like loop it. Just put a loop on it so that silver ball will stay on the 18 gauge wire. And try to make the wire a little bit long so that you don't come up short once you slide your wooden piece on. So that looks like it might be about 4 or 5 inches. And you just take the wooden piece, the wooden earring part, and you just slide it down. And the bead is at the bottom and the loop holds it all together. And then after that, I'm just taking my hematite disc. That's one of them. And then I'm attaching the second one. And so now I have them attached right there. And then I'm just going to take my wire cutter and I'm just going to cut that, and just make sure that you give yourself enough room so that you can make a loop. So I got that cut. Then I'm going to take the round nose plier and I'm going to make a loop. Just simply flip it around and make a loop. And just make sure that it's closed. And I take the little crimper and I kind of squeeze it together to make sure that it's fully closed. And I hope you guys can see that. And just make sure it's nice and tight. Do the best that you can. And then what I'm getting ready to do is I'm going to attach the earring clip to it. And I already what I did is I took it apart a little bit. I kind of bent the earring hook apart a little bit so it could slide back on. And then I'm going to take my crimper and I'm just going to crimp it closed. And just make sure everything is nice and tight. And there you have a quick 5-minute pair of earrings. Like I said, you can find these wooden pieces at any jewelry store. I got mine at a jewelry at one of those traveling jewelry shows. But that's the red color that I made. And then here's a fuchsia or hot pink pair that I made. In this particular pair, I used the ball. You can use a silver ball from the jewelry supply store or whatever you have. You can decorate the top of your earring with whatever you like or whatever you have. So I did those with the silver ball. And then I have this brown pair. This came in a different shape. I've seen these at Joann's too. And the same thing, I put a silver ball on them. And then for the bottom of those, I just took the wire and just twisted it. Just twisted it around so that it wouldn't fall off. So those are the brown pair. But you can play with these and you can top them off any way you want. You can put different things at the bottom if you want. These are a yellow pair. These are a little bit smaller that I made. And these have 3 pieces of hematite on top of them. So you can have fun with these. You can, if you can't find these exact pieces, it kind of gives you an idea or to get your imagination going, and you can find little pieces of whatever you like and try to be creative. And here's an orange pear that I made where I got a little jazzy with it, and I added some wire for decoration. And please let me know in the comments if you would like me to make a video on how I made these. But I love these earrings and I sell a lot of them. And I think you should be able to make them, and I think you'll love them. If you like to see me make more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.